Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Well, we all come across these, and these are aluminum. But to show you what I mean by clean and dirty, this I already did one just to see if it would work, and it did. So this is aluminum, but if you were taking in like this, they wouldn't give you clean prices. This is how fast and how simple it is to take this stuff apart. Grab yourself a pair of these, like this. Cut. Come down here. Cut. Down here. Cut. Right under here. Cut. Flip it over. Anywhere that there's metal attached, cut. Right here. Cut. Right here. Cut. Right here. Cut. Oh. Right there. Cut. This, if it falls off, great. If not, trash. Well, not trash, but scrap pile. Take it right here. Cut. Now you will notice that this right here is metal. Same thing. Right there. Cut. Right there. Cut. This just became clean. This right here, dirty. Dirty. Same with this other sides. So anywhere that, like I said, that has the metal, just cut it. I'm going to leave that for right now. So now that we get down to, you know, the stuff that you can't stand on. Yes, I know it's not very heavy, but it goes from clean and even if you have, say, like a partner, somebody you scrap with, this dirty, this part right here, because of that, is actually dirty. These joints, dirty, dirty. Well, see how fast that was? You know, like I said, you know, you can go a little bit further by cutting the curved pieces off and then bundling them together and then tying them so they're there, set them aside. Like I said, it's all clean now. That simple, that fast. That's dirty. So, hopefully this was another helpful how-to. But like I said, didn't take very long. So, y'all have a good day, good night, wherever you are in the world. And as I always say, keep scrapping, scrap it right, and make that money. Peace. YouTube poke. Later, Gators.